top and raise it high. We don't work out, we don't fit in. We got some wild and crazy friends, but that's okay. Come on, May, we'll get by. Well, I saw an old friend yesterday. He was walking down my street. He was trying to stay in shape, I'd say, but he could barely move at his feet. So I offered him a cold one. I didn't think he would take me up, but as he raised it to his lips, he said, this one here for luck. Well, here's to you, here's to me, here's to taking life easy. I fill my glass to the top and raise it high. We don't work out, we don't fit in. We got some wild and crazy friends, but that's okay. Come on, babe, we'll get by. Here's to you, here's to me, here's to taking life easy. I fill my glass to the top, we're gonna raise it high. We don't work out, we don't fit in. We got some wild and crazy friends, but that's okay. Come on, man, we'll get by. That's okay. Come on, man, we'll get by. Oh, that's okay. Come on, man, we'll get by.